Welcome to our research facilities at Swansea. At Specific, our vision is a world in which active buildings can generate, store, and release their own heat and electricity from solar energy. Our PV research is the center of this vision. Our state-of-the-art facilities allow us to manufacture thin-film solar cells at both lab and industrial scale. Our fabrication methods are divided into two parts: sheet-to-sheet and roll-to-roll processes. For sheet-to-sheet process, one of our key pieces of equipment is a screen printer. This method is used to fully print the PV module, including the top electrode. Using screen printing, we have successfully made modules up to an active area of 220 square centimeters. Alongside screen printing, we also do sheet-to-sheet slot die coating. Roll-to-roll is another fabrication method we use for thin-film solar cells. This process allows us to produce high volumes of flexible solar cells using slot die coating technique. For this we use Cotamer Smart Coater with coating, drying and lamination capabilities. With interchangeable print heads, a web width of up to 100 mm can be coated with slot die coating, gravure printing, or doctor blading before inline annealing with an integrated oven system. The Smart Coater can coat up to 10 meters per minute and has also been used for roll-to-roll deposition of industrial coatings on both plastic and steel substrates. Our facilities also host state-of-the-art testing facilities which allow us to perform JV measurements to test the efficiency of the solar cells. We also stress test them under controlled humidity and temperature for long periods of time to understand their longevity in real-world conditions.
So in the Specific QC at Swansea University, we support a number of industries, particularly the PV industry, where we're working on roll-to-roll coating technologies as well as other printer technologies. So we can provide support in things like formulation, coating support, prototype development. And we really like to work collaboratively in the Specific and at Swansea University. So we like to engage through collaborative projects, maybe through external funders, but we also work with direct funding from industry.